Guys, we are back at the car wash. Now, first thing I wanted to say real quick is because I am not using their brushes, so I always bring my own stuff, clean the chain before, and I have chain lube right there for right after. So, I mean, as far as washing your bike goes, you know, you're going to, first and foremost, you're going to have so many different things. You know, you're going to have people telling you, don't pressure wash, you can pressure wash, do this, do that, do this, do that. I say you figure out what works for you. I kind of run the common sense play. So, like, you know, I don't high pressure wash the electrical areas. I can get them wet, you can get them wet, but I don't spray crazy with stuff like that. Honestly, all I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting the bike wet using their soap, and then I will be using my rag or my sponge to just finish things off. It doesn't have to be crazy, you know what I mean? So, and then again, this is just kind of what I do, so you can do what you want. This is probably way too much time, but I always just like to start with high pressure soap, because we're just going to start spraying off. And hey guys, let me know in the comments what you guys use for your tires, because I had a couple things, and then whenever I really started reading it, it said don't use on motorcycle tires because it'll like cause slippage and stuff, and that's what I was really afraid of, you know. So let me know in the comments if you guys have anything really nice that you guys like to use for your motorcycle tires, because I mean, I want mine to be clean. I just don't want to see, like here, I'll just spray it. I won't go crazy with it, but I want to clean my tires, but I don't know what I am and I'm not supposed to use. So, you know, there's that. But this is all I'm really doing, guys. Like, I'm not going crazy. I'm just kind of spraying it all down, getting it nice. The places I know kind of get it a little bit more than others. The chain, I'm going to be lubing the chain as soon as I'm done drying it off. So, you know, that's not a big deal. And then I just like to take my brush, or my sponge, and start from the bottom to the top. And there's not a lot of, I mean, like, it's just coming right off, so you don't have to go crazy. Windshield. And again, like I said, you're going to find so many different ways on how to clean your bike, and maybe there'll be a couple guys or girls that'll tell me that I'm doing mine wrong. I mean, I don't know, maybe I am. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. It's just kind of how I do it. It doesn't really have to be perfect, and whenever you keep up with it and you wash your bike, you know, every week, and lube your chain every week like you're supposed to do, like, have no issues. Have no issues. I do want to keep it up top first, because you know, you don't want to wash the rims and all that with really dirty stuff, or you don't want to wash the paint with stuff you just clean the rims with. That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, just want to make sure it was recording. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So then what I'll do is, after all that's done, then I'll like hit the rims and all that stuff. And they don't gotta be perfect, because honestly, I clean the rims better whenever I'm home. Whenever I lube the chain up again, because I'll lube it up once and I'll lube it up again. Out of breath. Kind of clean the tire a little bit. Yeah, let me know what you guys do about your tires, because I definitely want to clean my tires. I just I don't really know what I'm supposed to use, if that makes any sense. And something is dripping like crazy. So did that. I'm going to add a couple more quarters. I don't know if you were keeping track of how much we spent doing it. High pressure rinse. Yeah, hopefully this was a little educational for you. I mean, it's at the end of the day, it really is just washing a bike, and it's not rocket science. But you know, for me, I didn't know how you were supposed to do it, so I didn't know what you're allowed to get wet, if you're not allowed to get anything wet. Like, you know, I was not sure, but now we know. Everything looks good. So then, where's the holder? Just one more time. Ugh. Then what I like to do, I like to stick on the air dryer, and I'll air dry it. Spray down in there, get all that out. And that's pretty much it. And after this, I'm going to lube the chain, because I think that you're supposed to clean and lube your chain every time you wash your bike, or anytime it gets out in the water. You know, that kind of just makes sense to me. So whether that's true or not, that's what I do. And we're going for a ride today too, so this is going to dry up even more. I just don't want it to water spots and all that stuff. Seems a little loose. What a beautiful machine. I also figured out, if you've been watching the channel, I mentioned that I have 100 hours over the bike, and I wasn't sure how to reset that, or what was the deal, because I thought it was a engine timer. You know, they keep track of your hours. It's not, it's like a trip timer. So I figured out how to reset that. Let me know in the comments if you want to know how to do that. Pretty much you just have it on the setting and you hold in that button there, and that'll take care of it for you. But yep, this is about it, guys. You know, you can, you know, get the bike all wet. Just watch what you're pressure washing. Like I said, I didn't pressure wash, you know, all that stuff there. I rinsed it off, but I didn't go crazy with it. You know, I always bring my own stuff. And again, let me know in the comments what you guys use to clean your tires, because I had a couple things that I thought were good for it, but you know, reading it more carefully, it said do not use on motorcycle tires. So I don't know. I'm sure that there's something out there. A simple Google search will help out. But I'm gonna let you guys go. Please like, share, subscribe if you want. If you don't, you don't matter. But I will see you guys on the next one. And again, like I said, after this, I'm going to lube the chain up. So, you know, we're all good there. Alright guys, I will see you later.